Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is here Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how to generate AI fashion videos from a single garment photo. Maybe you have a single garment photo, maybe it is a t-shirt or a dress or shoes or anything as such, but for my case I have this dress right here which looks really pretty, and I'll be using this dress into converting it into an AI fashion video which looks something like this. So basically I will be doing this. Firstly, I'll use this dress image and then I'll convert this image into a beautiful model wearing this dress, which looks something like this. And then we'll use this image and then convert it into an AI fashion video, which looks something like this, as you already saw in today's video. And I will be teaching you just that by using Wearview, which is an amazing tool for that. So firstly, what I want you guys to do is go to wearview.co and then log into your account. If you don't have an account, I would suggest you to create one. It just takes less than 10 seconds, so make sure you create one. Once you are done with that, click on the Try It Now button. And once you click on the Try It Now button, these are all the features that is supported by Wearview. Some of them include AI Tryon Studio, AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Video, which we'll be using, AI model creation, AI ghost mannequin, AI pose control, and the list goes on. So firstly, let's create our very own model before we convert that image into a fashion video. So for that, I'll use AI Tryon Studio. And then here we'll have to select the garment that we want. So we'll click on the choose file button and then I'll choose the dress. It's a really beautiful dress, so I've selected it and we'll click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, here you will have to select your model. If you have a model image, then click on the choose file and go ahead and choose your model. If you don't have a model, then click on the My Models button and then go to Model Library. Here we have a collection of great, amazing looking models here from women as well as men. As our dress is a female dress, of course, so we'll use women. If you are crazy, you can go ahead and try using a man, but for this video, I'll choose woman and we'll choose Yuki because she's one of my favorite AI model that is available in Wearview. So after we are done selecting the model, we'll click on the next button. Now it is showing the garment is this dress and the model is Yuki. So that's what we have selected. And now we have to select the quality. If you are really serious about your clothing business and you want your customers to convert, then of course 4K is the hands down the only option that you can choose. But for this video I'll use 2K because even 2K the quality is really great. It is really amazing. But if you're thinking of using full HD or HD, then it's not good. The generation is faster, but the quality is not good. And in business, quality always wins. So I'll choose 2K, and for aspect ratio, I'll choose 3:4. If you want, you can also choose 9:16, which is a vertical form. But for this, video or for this tutorial, I'll choose 3:4 and then click on the generate button. Now, this basically takes around 30 to 40 seconds to create the image. So I won't keep you guys waiting. And so what I'll do, I'll just resume the video once the generation is completed. Alright guys, so as you can see, our model is already wearing our dress and it looks really pretty on her. Yuki is an amazing AI model that I have selected, and also the dress looks amazing on her. So we have option to flip the image horizontally if you want. If you want this way, you can go ahead and choose it. But by any chance there are some things that you want to change or you want to modify, then click on the refine button, and here your prompt is king. So whatever you want to do, you can just go ahead. Maybe you want to smooth fabric wrinkles or brighten the backgrounds, sharpen fabric texture and stuff like that, or maybe remove background distraction. So you can go ahead and do that. But for me, I am really happy with the image that we have here that Wearview have generated. So what I'll do, I'll just download this image for our reference. And now the main part will convert this image into an AI fashion video. If you want, you can also change the pose here with the help of AI pose control. But for this video, we will choose AI fashion video because that's what I am teaching you, which is how to generate an AI fashion video from a single garment image. So what I'll do, I'll just click on AI fashion video, and then we will be shifted to this image here. You will have to upload the model photo, as we have already created our very own model in Wearview, so it is already selected. If you have a different image, then of course you can also upload a back photo. It's an optional one, but if you have, it's great. You can go ahead and upload it. But I have selected the front photo, and we'll click on the next button. Now you will have to choose the kind of video that you want. For example, the 360-degree showcase, or a back turn, or maybe catwalk, hair fix, side reverse, walk through, and zoom in. These are all the presets that we have. If you want, you can also go ahead and create custom fashion videos maybe if you want. But for this video, I'm really happy with all the presets that we already have in Wearview. We also have for male as well as female. Basically they are the same controls. So, but as our model is a female, we'll choose female, and then we will choose for this video. I am thinking of using zoom in, so I'll just click on zoom in and then click on the next button. Now it will ask us for the background. If you want, you can also choose the same as the input, but for this video I'll choose clean professional look, as it looks really professional, just like the way you saw it. And now you can see you have to choose the aspect ratio. 9:16 is the best one. It is vertical, but by any chance, if you want it to be horizontal, you can choose it to be horizontal as well. But for this video, we'll choose 9:16, and then we'll click on the generate button. Now this is gonna take around maybe 30 to again 40 seconds, depending on the complexity of the video, but we chose really a simple video. So let's wait, and I'll resume the video once the video generation is completed. Alright guys, so as you can see, our AI video is here, and this is so hard for me to even believe that this is created by an AI. It just looks so good. Even the quality of the video, it is really high quality, as you can see. So what you can do from here, you can just go ahead and share this video right now, or if you want, you can also download this video, which I will download, as I will update this video onto the listing of my store with this dress on. So as you can see, in this way, you can easily create an amazing looking AI fashion video with just a single picture of your garment. Now, as you saw how easy it is, with just few clicks, you can do it. Well, what are your thoughts about Wearview? Please let us know in the comment box down below. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and also, like the video, and also comment your thoughts. Like I said, this is your Victor from Wearview. And before ending up the video, if I want to tell you something, if you are by any chance not happy with the kind of video that Wearview have produced, which is very unlikely to happen. Wearview produces great images as also videos, as I have been testing it a lot. What you can do, you can go ahead and click on the try again button, and this will do redo the whole process again, and you will get a different version of the video. But for example, as you saw the first try, we have got ourselves a really amazing video, which looks just the way that you're looking at right now. Well, that's pretty much it. This is your Victor from Wearview. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Until that day, take care.